What's up, Juice Gang? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we got like a weekly vlog, but today right now we're gonna do, I did my makeup, as you guys can see. I'm a little sick. I got my tea here. But before we get into this video, guys, I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, and do not forget to turn that post notification bell, because why would you want to be late to when you got the juice video? I'll wait.
I don't know. Is it just me? Like who? Cause you doing it wrong. So right now I'm just going to do my makeup, do my hair, and then we're gonna see where the day takes us because yeah. I haven't got my eyebrows done in months, y'all. Like literally. I don't remember the last time. Because I don't want to get it waxed anymore. Like I want to get my shit threaded. But I haven't went nowhere for to do threading. So we probably just make this shit work. I haven't got my eyebrows done in months. So it's a little bushy. So I did do it off camera because 450. Just gonna bring this in. Foundation on. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I have the Hourglass. This is in shade Teak. This is my concealer. Yo, alright, I'm stressed out. Anybody out there, you know, can take some relief off my pain, just hit me up. Fuck y'all. Psych. got these from TJ Maxx. Some cute stuff. I keep my brushes in. It's like last year. It's like done now. It can't be too done, but I like sticking it in here. And then put it on my skin. Like that. Oh my god, this shit done, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna pack right now. Pack? What the fuck? I'm about to be ready to go. I mean bake. I'm about to just bake right now. It's my cup I got from Puerto Rico. It's some tea in here because my throat is on fire. So what y'all think about these lash books? They're so cute. And they come like this. Obviously this is missing. But yeah, we're gonna rebrand, restock real soon, guys. Real soon.
So these are from the Sephora collection. This is in the shade 66. This is the pencil. It's like a brown pencil. Streets. Thank you guys for watching. We about to continue this vlog. I'm gonna just vlog out their day and stuff. So yeah, let's go. Thank you, Aaliyah did it for doing my ponytail. It's giving the girl is very much sleek, natural, cute, and calm. Period. What is giving? Whatever she said. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.
2? What the fuck is Chanel?
They boosting.
Y'all, we got our nose pierced yesterday at 12 a.m. And she's digging in her nose looking for, oh my God, what's that? Sorry. So this is not a booger. I thought it was a booger too, but it's actually my nose ring. And it's actually pretty.
Let me fix myself. I did not.
Hey!
So whose father is paying for me to live in?
What's going on right now?
Oh, that's on.
Look at this car. Oh, look at this car. Look at her hair. They're twins. Yeah, so we're in a lane station right now and I don't know where to go. It says do not enter. So I'm just gonna go opposite way. Yard house, I heard of that. Okay guys, before my phone dies, I wanna get footage because my phone is gonna die. We outside. No, my next station. I'm freaking starving. I'm hungry. I'm definitely hungry. I'm gonna make TikToks now. Bye. So yeah, you guys are basically spending the day with me. And how she brought me appetizer. Yes, thank you. You have a straw? Or no? Yes, I'll grab one. Thank you. A bar straw? Yeah. So I got.
It's shrimp.
Yes, it's shrimp tempura. The tempura part is fire. You should try it. So I got this strawberry lemon drop, shrimp tempura. I'm gonna show y'all better view. So we got a strawberry lemon drop, shrimp tempura.
I don't know. Is that an onion ring?
It tastes like lemonade. Oh, yeah, vodka in here. Not bad. Okay. Shrimp tempura. Sound like.
It's the shrimp.
It's shrimp in it. Tempura is the breading. That's what it's called.
It's a shrimp head.
Yeah, it's a shrimp. Look.
It's shrimp. But it's long.
Entree, it's a fried lobster rice. And she got shrimp and chicken. So this is what happens in Atlanta. You just rob the bank, but you go to jail. You might go to jail. Oh, I thought they were pointing at me. It's so ghetto. Why is there so many police cars? But yeah.
Hell no.
Oh my God, guys.
Try to hope. Why the dog on the steering wheel?
They stopped all this traffic. Look at these people just sitting there. Oh my God, I feel bad. I feel so bad. It's always something in Atlanta, y'all. Always something.